Now, streamline your outreach process by connecting Monday.com with SmartReach via Zapier. In this video, you'll learn how to automate lead syncing and launch targeted email campaigns with minimal effort, helping your team stay organized. To get started, create your first Zap and add a trigger from SmartReach. You'll find a variety of triggers to choose from, such as when an email is sent, when a prospect opens an email, or when they reply. In this case, we've selected the reply trigger, which means any replies received on SmartReach will automatically be added to Monday.com. To connect your Zapier account to SmartReach, simply go to your SmartReach dashboard, then navigate to Settings, click on Integrations, and select Zapier. There, you'll find your API key, which you can use to connect SmartReach with Zapier and start automating your workflows. Here, we've added a trigger to automatically add a column to an existing board. Any prospect who replies will now be added to the specified column in the board you select. You need to now connect Monday.com. You can set multiple actions depending on the chosen trigger in SmartReach. To connect Monday.com to Zapier, you'll need an API key from Monday.com. To get it, click on your profile photo in Monday.com, go to Developers, then select My Access Token. Copy the API key from there and paste it into Zapier to complete the connection. Now select the relevant board name, a title for your column, and the column type from Monday.com. Click on Continue and test the Zaps. Once the workflow runs successfully, you can check whether the replies received in SmartReach are being updated on Monday.com. Please note that only the replies coming from your SmartReach campaigns will be tracked. Replies from your general mailbox will not be included. Boom! Just like that, your leads from Monday.com are now firing off emails through SmartReach. Ready to supercharge your outreach? Hit that like button, subscribe, and check out more ways to power up your sales stack.